Hey, I'm a 3D artist and I've made this.
In the heart of the mountains, two legends awaken for a duel of destiny. Raw power meets precision. Where every shift and turn becomes a work of art.
I made a lot of different kind of 3D art, 3D models, environments, characters over the years, and in my opinion, I find making car animations to be the easiest. Find a car model and you can make it yourself, but there is nothing wrong with saving some time and using pre-made models. Make a path, make a tunnel. There's a lot of tunnel designs, so choose any style. I want this with simple style. Make one part of the tunnel and array as much as you'd like, then make it follow the curve. Now make your car follow a path, and make sure everything that is car related is following the path. Feel free to add one or more cars to fill your scene. For this animation, I just wanted to make modify Supra race a modified GR86, so animate their paths. My favorite part, camera work. It's pretty simple. I'd find a couple of car ads that you like and try to replicate their style of camera work. Feel free to copy my camera work. Here's some camera tricks. In order to achieve this shakiness, there's this camera Shakify by Ian Hubert. It just makes everything easier. You can add it to whatever camera and you can choose some of these different settings. I just mess around and see which one fits the scene. Some of them fits the scene, some of them don't. So it's a lot of experimenting. To make this more interesting, I added a character from Mixamo. You can get this character for free on Mixamo. Very simple animation, you're just rotating the steering and you can separate that and just rotate it and animate it. Very simple. And again, since it's a fast-paced animation, there's wiggle room for some weird mistakes like this. I found this picture on Google just to kind of, give this a UI. But again, I can't really make this myself. But I blur out in the actual animation so you don't see it. It's still there. To make this really cool interior camera shake, all I did was I chose the fisheye lens for the camera and I gave it those settings. Feel free to copy the settings. I also gave it out of the window car shade because I saw a lot of videos when they wear like GoPros on their heads or like put on their face. It's usually not shaking very much. It's just a little shakiness, unless you're doing a rally car, which this is not a rally car. So whenever you're working with cars, try to think of real world examples. Also, a simple way to make your car animation look really cool, just add this volume with low density. It just adds a little depth to it. I'm not going to go over much about the texturing because it's just very simple texturing. You can look a lot of these texturing on how to make a car texture, tire texture, road texture. These, like, the texturing took me the least amount of time. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.